In this video, I'll show you how to create an account with Spectrum Online. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and sub to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright guys, on your mobile device, or if you're using PC or laptop, open up any web browser and then head on over to spectrum.net. Once you're here, you'll be brought to a page that looks similar to this. And now to sign up to Spectrum, you want to click on where it says not a Spectrum customer. Click on get started. And now what this is going to do is going to bring you to the sign up page of Spectrum. So as you can see here, you've got different options. So you can shop internet here, etc, etc. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click on the $49 a month deal here. So click on shop internet. So once you land on this page here, shop the best deals from Spectrum. So put in your street address, your unit, and zip code here. I'm just using this random address for this demonstration. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on find offers. So it's going to search for offers in your area. And now, as it says here, the address you provide already has a Spectrum account associated with it. So what I can do, I can click on I'm a new customer at this address. And now from here, good news, special offers are available at this address. So please call this number to get the best deals available, and they'll also sign you up for our Spectrum customer account.